Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you're someone who prefers using apps in dark mode to reduce eye strain or save battery, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable dark mode in the Pinterest app using the built-in settings. Let's get started right away. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account Management. Now scroll down and tap on the option labeled App Theme. You'll see three options: Light, Dark, and System Default. To enable dark mode, simply choose the Dark option. The app will instantly switch to a dark interface, making browsing easier on your eyes. You can come back and change this setting anytime. And that's how you enable dark mode on Pinterest. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple tech tips.